Hello friends, my name is Lisa Hetal, Ashramik Vidyalaya Killa Party. Chapter 4, Poem The Last Bargain. Bargain is an agreement in which both parties promise to do something for each other. Someone is looking for work, waiting to be hired. He strikes a bargain but thinks it worthless. He tries twice again but doesn't like either. Finally, in the last, when he is hired for nothing whatever, he is happy as never before. What is the bargain and why is it as the best? Come and hear me, I cried while in the morning. क्या बोला है कि come and hear me, I cried while in the morning. I was walking on the stone paved road, sword in hand and the king in his chariot. Chariot means उसकी पवित्रता. Sword means कि हथियार लेकर कहाँ पे गया, उसकी पवित्र के कि वहाँ पर गया खेत में. He held my hand and said, I will hear you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. In the heat means कि गर्मी, of the midday, जब पूरा दिन सुबह क्या होता है, मॉर्निंग सुबह मिड डे हुआ तो हाउस स्टूड विथ शट डोर्स. जो भी हाउस था उसके जो विंडो डोर्स होते हैं वो क्लोज कर देते हैं. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hear you with my money. An old man came out. वहाँ पे कौन आया, एक old woman, एक old man and with his bag of gold. और उसके साथ एक बैग में क्या था, बैग हुई थी, बैग में क्या था, गोल्ड. He pondered and he वहाँ पे आया और बोला, I am here with you my money. He weighted his coins one by one, but I turned away. He waited. It was evening. उस समय कौन सा था, इवनिंग का. The garden his was all flower. The fair maid came out and said, I will hear you with her smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears. उसकी जो स्माइल थी और उसकी आंखों में क्या था, tears. And she went back alone into the dark. और फिर से वो कहाँ चले गया, डार्क में. The sun glistened on the sand and sea waves broken wet widely. A child sat playing with shells. कि उसको क्या लग रहा था कि एक बच्चा मेरे साथ खेल रहा है. He raised his head and seemed to know me, said, I hear you with nothing. मैं यहाँ हूँ पर वो कुछ भी बोल रही नहीं था. From henceforward that bargain struck in child's play made with freemen. वो इस पोइम को कहाँ से लिया गया है, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. उसका राइटर कौन सा है, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. नीचे आपको MCQ दिए हैं और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो दिए हैं जो मैं आपको लिख के PDF सेंड कर दूँगी. प्लीज़ यू विल राइट इन योर इंग्लिश नोटबुक. ओके, थैंक यू.